Hi everyone, this is Md Samim. Currently I am a first prof MBBS student at MIDNAPORE Medical College. Today's topic of video is something different from my niche. In this video I am talking about how to make money online. Actually I was made money by using this method, so I am going to be sharing my own experience. This is a very good way of gaining knowledge along with being paid for the same. Okay, alright, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go to the Google and type registration for expert on Chegg.com. Chegg, C-H-E-G-G, Chegg.com. Then a link will come. Click on that link. A website will open up and they will provide you a registration form. You have to fill the form carefully with all your genuine details and then submit the form to the Chegg.com. Then a new page will come up and which will give you a link for the subject test. Before appearing for the subject test, they will ask you about your subject choice, your preference, in which subject you will work as an expert for. I take chemistry. In your case it can be physics, it can be mathematics, it can be biology. There is a huge list of subjects. You can choose according to your knowledge. Now talking about the test, how do you do it? You have to appear for the test, but don't worry about the test because the level of test is not very hard. At the same time it is not very easy, but the good thing is it is an open book test. You can use Google, you can use your books, you can ask your friend. Anyhow you have to find the answers of the given MCQs and fill up the choices. It is an MCQ test. After you submit your test, they will tell you whether you passed the test or you failed. In my case, the passing criteria was 80%. In your case, it may be 80% or maybe little different from 80% because the Chegg often changes their guideline. Here, what I will suggest you is that read the rules carefully before appearing for the test. Whatever, be done with the test, and I hope you passed the test successfully. Then they will provide a link of guideline test, and this test is also very important because without knowing their guidelines you can't fulfill their expectations. So you have to pass this test also. Then after few days or maybe after few weeks they will give you answering privilege. Then actually you can start working with Chegg. It is a very good organization to work with, and my experience with Chegg is pretty fine, and I am working with Chegg from last 1 year. In the video I will show you my working proof with Chegg, so watch the video till the end. While working with Chegg you have to be careful about something. Your entire data is maintained by Chegg team. They will monitor your answers, they will monitor your quality of answers, and they will monitor your CF score. Basically Chegg is nothing but it is a medium where students post their doubts and questions and you have to answer those. And there is an in-house team of Chegg who monitor your works. I think some of you may curious about what intensives they provide to the expert. So to clear this curiosity, here I am providing a list containing subject wise per question intensives. You should check them. So now let me tell you how exactly you can do it after completing registration, degree verification, bank verification, mobile number verification, all this stuff. They will provide you answering privilege, and now you can start answering. On after another question will appear on your screen, and they will provide you 10-minute time window on your screen to decide whether you want to answer this question or you want to skip it. You can skip it or you can answer it. It will depend on you. And one thing I want to mention over here is that you can skip as many questions as you want. It will not going to affect your CF score. Let's say you skip the first question, then second question will appear on your screen. Suppose it is known to you and you can easily able to do it, then you have to click on the answer button. At that instant the 10-minute timer window will automatically converted into 120 minutes timer window. Now you get 2 hours to provide your answer, but don't worry, you can complete it within 10 to 20 minutes. But you have to take care of your honesty. You have to maintain your CF score above 80%. CF score is based on students rating on your answers. So if you provide poor quality answer, obviously student will downvote your answers and eventually your CFA score will fall down, which might revoke your account. So this is all for today about Chegg. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment section and I will definitely reply you all. And believe me, I have a very good experience of working with Chegg from past 1 year and I am well aware of this. Since I promised that I will show you my working proof, so here it is. I solved 299 questions in 1 year and it is pretty good for 1 year. And my CFA score is 80% for this month, and overall CFA score also around 80%. See you guys on my next video. Till now, take care. Bye bye.